Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to create this makeup look right here. This is everyday, easy, practical makeup look that you can create under flat 5 minutes. You won't take more than that. And all the products I use today are 100% affordable drugstore products. So if you want to know how can you achieve this flawless looking everyday makeup look, then please continue watching. But before that, if you are new on my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to moisturize my face. Moisturization is so important, guys. I cannot stress enough on this step. If you want a flawless base, you need to moisturize your face really well. Now, it completely depends on you what kind of moisturizer you want to use. If you are a dry skin type, then you should go for a more creamy, thicker consistency moisturizer. If you are an oily skin type person, then you should go for a gel consistency, or you can use an aloe vera gel as well. Today I'm using Nykaa Skin Potion Facial Oil. And of course, never forget your lips. Nourishment is so important, whether it is your face or your lips. To hydrate my lips, I'm using Wadi Strawberry Lip Balm. Moisturization is done. The next step is priming. Now priming is an optional step for you. If you don't want to use a primer, don't use it. This is completely your choice. I just use it because I have enlarged pores and I need to fill them up before going in with my foundation or concealer. And to fill in my pores, I'm using the most affordable primer. This is Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This primer blurs out your pores and also mattifies your face. For base, you can use a BB cream, CC cream or a foundation. Again, totally depends on you. I, however, use my foundation as my BB cream. For foundation, I'm using today is Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. And how I make my foundation as my BB cream is that I just take a pump of foundation on the back of my hand and then I just mix it with the moisturizer. With this step, the coverage of your foundation shears down a little bit and your BB cream is ready for you. And then I just apply this on my face. If you don't have any beauty blender or a brush, don't worry, use your fingers and then just blend the product into your skin. And of course, if you don't want to use a moisturizer separately, then you can jump into this step because your foundation contains your moisturizer as well. I would use some more under my eyes as my concealer. To set your face, you need a powder. You can use a compact powder or a loose powder. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And do focus on the area where you get more oily. Like for me, it is always the T-zone area. And also around my mouth. By the time the under eye is baking, we quickly fill in the brow because we need to do multitasking in hurry. And for that, I'm using Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil. And I'm quickly filling my brow. The next step is again optional. Apply a blush. If you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. It is totally up to you. I, however, prefer using a blush because it is always good to give a nice color to your cheek. And today I'm using Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Rose. This is a beautiful rosy pink blush, and I'm only using little amount and applying on my apples. Again, I'm not going overboard with it because we are going for a daily, everyday makeup look. The next step is using a mascara. This is the only thing we are going to do with the eyes, and for that I have two options today. One is Big Eyes Long Lasting Super Waterproof Smudge Proof Mascara by Matte Look Cosmetics, and another one is Flutter Secrets Voluminizing Mascara by Lakme. You can use anything, both are drugstore affordable mascaras. Today I'm using Matte Look Cosmetics Big Eyes Mascara and use generous coats of it because only the mascara is going to lift your eyes and make it more bigger. And then just look at the eyes. Mascara makes such a big difference. And of course, the last step is, yes, you guessed it right, apply your favorite lip shade. First, I'm lining my face using a lip liner. The lipstick I'm using today is by Nykaa. This is So Creme Creamy Matte Lipstick. The shade is Wake Up Makeup. This is a nude brown color, perfect for everyday wear. And this is the final finished look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. This was a very simple, practical makeup look that you can wear every single day. If you like this video, then please like to this video and also subscribe to my channel. I see you soon in my next video, guys. Till then, bye.